Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to make prebiotic coffee drink. Find out to turn your coffee into a prebiotic powerhouse. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of sugar and some little warm water. Mix together. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic to this mixture. This natural powder has at least 85% soluble fibers of mostly prebiotic polysaccharides and oligosaccharides. Boil a cup of milk. Pour the milk in the cup as you stir. Your prebiotic coffee is ready. Enjoy!